So I thought I would explain this. In order to power that, you need this. This is an EB3A. It is the cheapest power station I have found that will power said microwave. In order to power said microwave, you're gonna want to have a smartphone with Bluetooth that can download the Bluetti app, because otherwise the microwave will just kick off. In order to power the microwave, you want to make sure that your phone is connected to the Bluetti via Bluetooth and that you have enabled powerlifting. If you don't enable powerlifting on this guy, the initial surge of the microwave will trigger a cutoff and then it won't work. Once you've enabled powerlifting, you'll see that the mainstay's microwave will consume about 550 watts on average, according to the Bluetti screen. It's just the initial thing that makes it not happy. And also, because the Bluetti takes power when this is on, you're going to want to turn that off, which is why that guy right there is inaccurate. But yeah, for about, I think it was around $200, you can power a microwave and basically any other heating appliance other than like an air fryer, and you'll be able to make quick meals in a car without too much trouble. I measured this thing. It's around 12 inches deep and around 19 inches long. So as long as you have space for that, plus the around 8 inches it is tall, you'll be able to have a microwave in your vehicle. I should add, I have 200 watts of solar on the roof that I use to power this thing, as well as a 60 watt panel which sits down there that is mobile and I can move whenever.